Hello, everyone. I'm very sorry that we're not meeting in person, but the college made a good decision to close. I want to take a look at page 101 with you. So pause this video to make sure you have that page open as I'm talking. What you can see on the chart in the middle of page 101 is that you have 4 different categories or groups of words. Take a look at them. They have blue in the background. Adding, contrasting, similarity, emphasizing, consequence, and concluding. If any of those words that are in the blue background are confusing to you, just stop the video and look those up and then make the video play again. These words can be very useful in figuring out complicated sentences or confusing sentences with tricky vocabulary. So let's just review them together. Adding means you are giving information that's similar. I know in another place it says a similarity, but adding is also saying, here, I gave you one thing, now I'm giving you another thing. Contrasting is saying, this is different. So if you had a word that you didn't know in the first part of the sentence, and then you saw one of those contrasting words like however or nevertheless, that can help you figure out the word you don't know. So for example, here's a crazy word, perspicacious. So if you had a sentence like this, Sally is perspicacious. However, her brother is very slow and a little stupid. You kind of know that perspicacious is the opposite of, or very, very different from slow and stupid. Similarity, something that's similar. Emphasizing is something that we do when you read something, and then if you see these words in fact and indeed, it's saying, I'm kind of going to tell you the same thing, but in a stronger way. Then we see consequence. The consequence means here's a result, and that can also help you figure out the meaning of a whole sentence without knowing all the words exactly. Concluding is just saying, okay, I said all this stuff, now I'm going to make a little summary, or I'm going to say this is the last thing that I'm going to say. Now, on that chart, each group of words has a blank, and they ask you to take the words in the box above and put them in the blank. What I want you to do is stop the video and do that. See if you can figure out where each word goes. So ready? Just stop the video and then turn it on after you're done. Okay, welcome back. I'm just going to give you those answers. Under adding, we have the word moreover. Under contrasting, we have the word yet. Under similarity, we have the word likewise. Under emphasizing, we have above all. Consequence, we have the word therefore. I'm sure you know that one. And concluding, we have the word in short. All right, now, the reason these words can be tricky is because we don't use most of them when we're talking. We use them a lot in writing, and so that's why they can be confusing at times. So what I want you to do now is, again, turn off the video. And you know, I don't know if you're turning off the video, but you're going to learn more if you actually turn it off. So you're going to turn it off, do part B, and then turn it back on. Okay, so just quickly, the answers for part B. Number 1, however. Number 2, similarly. Number 3, moreover. And number 4, consequently. If you got any of those wrong, really look at each part of the sentence and decide how are those two parts of the sentence related to each other. Okay? Okay, so that's the end of this video. There will be more.